The Linda Mwananchi Caravan staged its sets of rallies in Mombasa County. Few days after the Special Delegates Convention of the Orange Party ratified the party leadership structure, dropping Vihiga Senator Godfrey Osotsi as the third deputy party leader. Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna was spared at the NDC but subjected to internal party disciplinary structures. He used the Mombasa rally to give yet another clearest indication that he is not ready to serve under Oburu Oginga.
SD wa baba miaka 9, alafu kwa SD wa Oburu atafute wake, si ndio? Atafute wake. Hii day itamshinda, si ndio?
The senator remained non-committal on whether he will be resigning from his position. The Sifuna Babu Owino-led onslaught at the coast generated into a firing point against the Oburu Oginga ODM faction that they say is illegally constituted.
Hapa pwani mumeshinda mkiahidiwa ya kwamba mkiwa na mmoja wenu ndani ya serikali ati mambo ya ardhi itatatuliwa. Mumepata title deed nyinyi.
Sifuna could lose his position as Deputy Minority Whip in the Senate, while the Vihiga Senator risks losing the influential chairman position for the County Public Investments and Special Funds Committee in the Senate.
Mimi natangaza kwamba mimi nitakuwa Deputy Party Leader wa Linda Mwananchi.
The Linda Mwananchi leaders also rallied their supporters at the Tononoka grounds to register as voters, championing the Tuko Kadi initiative, hinting the possibilities of converting Linda Mwananchi into a party.
Ili tulete mabadilisho hii Kenya, lazima ujisajili. Lazima ujisajili. Niko kadi. Je, wewe uko kadi? Wangapi wako kadi hapa?
Wana ODM wanaingia kwa Ruto. Lakini tusi tunasema wanaweza kuwa na chama, lakini jeshi Raila Amolo Odinga bado iko imara.
Leaders further raised concerns over land injustices at the coastal region that they say they want reverted to the rightful owners.